Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, in today's video we'll discuss about Meesho off-campus hiring guys. Okay, that is for internship actually, and this is for few batches, right? Okay, so let's start without wasting time. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe. Okay, so let's start. So basically guys, the internship is for only 6 months as they have mentioned. If your work is well and good guys, they will continue with your candidature. Don't worry about this. Okay, the next thing is HR intern is there guys. Bangalore is a location and you need to do work from office. There is no any work from home. Okay guys. The next thing is they have written something like about the team. If you want you can read, no problem. Pause the video and you can read out this, right? Let's move to next. Let me just wait. Now it's clear. Okay, so the next thing is guys about role. So they have mentioned some role like as HR intern, right? HR intern. Intern means basically internship is there of 6 months, right? Let's move to the next. What you will do. They have written like collaborate with stakeholder through strong candidate employee alumni orientation or XYZ things are there. Let's move to the come to the points. So basically 0 to 1 year of similar experience preferred. One more thing they have mentioned fresher can apply. Fresher can apply means guys any fresher can apply. They have mentioned, but according to me only till 2022 pass out can apply, right? 2022, 2023 and 2024 students can try this hiring guys. Next thing is graduation, post graduation is required, right? Next thing is prefer experience in requirement in fast moving, higher growth or large scale organization, or that is not much better. Okay, so basically these are the things that if you know about Meesho, if you want to read like what is Meesho, we all know yaar, Meesho is a platform like Amazon, Flipkart, right? If you want, you can read out this, no problem. Our mission, their mission और our purpose, हर इंडिया का अपना मार्केट भाई वाह ग्रेट बड़ा अच्छा स्लोगन है राइट okay no problem simply guys you need to click on this apply now button and you need to fill the details like your email id your mobile number and submit that they are not asking any qualification. I think you can try once, let me show you. You need to click on apply now and simply you need to just put your something like email, mobile number, phone number and your current company. If you have not any company you can write NA. Okay, okay, and if you want you can also put your LinkedIn profile, Twitter profile, GitHub if you have, portfolio if you have, or other website if you have. And if you have any additional information you can write out here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. Go and apply right now because this type of internship, this type of hiring links is very like for limited time only. They have just closed this type of hiring very soon, so try to apply right now and try to share this video with your friends so that all students are updated with this type of hiring. Okay, so thank you friends, we will meet on next video. Take care, bye bye.